All right, now it is time to get this cold air intake in on my car. Bought it. I'll tell you if it's worth a fuck. And let's get to it. All right, let's see what's in this box. We got the air filter. This is for filtering your air. We have intake tubes. Yep, it is aluminum. I'll stick with it because, I don't know, I just kind of like the look of that. Another intake tube. Once again, some nice little aluminum welds there. Okay, so here we are under the hood. Right here in this hole is where the factory air box sat. This comes with this rubber plug and a bolt. So what'll happen when you tighten this down, it'll suck this rubber in tight to here. And like I said, there's no instructions, so just got to kind of figure it out as I go. I think I might wait to get this heat shield put in until after I get the tubing ran. That way I can make sure this sits exactly where it needs to. We should have rubber boots. They are stiff from being packaged. If you need to warm your rubber boots up to fit better, warm water. Also, you can kind of just massage them, make them a little bit more malleable. Okay, it looks like we have two different sizes, two big ones and a small one. So the small one is going to be where your intake is here. Here's a bracket. Alrighty, so get this intake slid where it needs to be. Okay, so this stud right here that this bolts to has a plastic nut thingy on it. That was from the factory air intake. Okay, yes, that fits on there, so screw this back on. The fitment on this is not what I would call precise, but like I had stated already, this is not a name brand setup. I don't remember the brand. But as far as quality goes, if I got to do a little bit of tweaking on an aluminum bracket, I mean, it's not going to be hard. Get some hose clamps on that intake tube. And once again, pay attention to your sizes. It looks like there are two smaller ones just for the intake tube back here at the throttle body. Alright, I'm definitely going to have to bend that bracket. I'm going to go ahead and snug it up. As long as you can get these hose clamps tight without them breaking, I mean, it works. This bracket is way off. So I wonder if there's somewhere else we can put it. Actually, hold on, I might be doing that wrong. Yep, sure am. Okay, so that rubber stud down there, or that plastic stud, slide the factory rubber grommet dealie on there, I bet. Oh, would you look at that? Process of elimination is a beautiful thing. We also have this bracket that I am clueless about. Probably has something to do with the mounting of the heat shield. And I know this car is just a V6, but these Chrysler 300S models, the S model has 300 horsepower from the factory. It's kind of an homage to the original Chrysler 300, which was named the Chrysler 300 because it made 300 horsepower.